Mina assignment yami imfisha and it's very clear. Sifuna nje kubonga kakhulu. Sifuna kubonga kakhulu. It's a privilege kuba sponsor such a very successful and growing tournament. Siqale kulomnyaka lophelile nathi nje singusibebe resort sititshela nje ukuthi vele siyafuna kubuyisela emuva or to give back to the community yaseHhohweni. But we are very happy as the tournament has grown the past year, and siyajabulisa kakhulu Mr. Mdlovu kuva ukuthi tournament ibe success and kube betitinkinga throughout the different stages labeka sola khona. Lokho kuhle kakhulu because sive nje ukuthi bese kubana naloko budlangdlang lokwendeka kulapha nalapha naloko bese sekusonela yonke lemvo lena lesizama kuyenda. So siyafuna ukuthi mhlambe ngicela niyibashayele intandla ukuthi batiphethe kahle ngosiyami. Moving forward, Singusibebe Resort, it is part of our mandate for us to ensure that we support and give back to the community as we are part of the community ourselves. Kumcwa kakhulu kithi logo njengoba nathi situated khona enkundleni, and siye sizame by all means ukuthi nale emsebenzini lasikhona sibe nabo bamfu benzawo prioritize yona employment from the area, which is helping ukuthi develop bamfu in their own capacities. And siphinze sisho ukuthi ibhola phambilini, I think ema sponsorships or ma tournaments labekendeka bebahlale bathi is to keep the kids off the streets, keep them off drugs and so on. But we like to look beyond lemvo leyo. Wona vele not neglecting ukuthi vele siyafuna ukuthi sibali batilibatise bamvula basha bangaze ukuthi khanze ukuthi sebangenelela letimvo letitsakamiva nalo. But itsine sibuka beyond in this aspect ukuthi sifuna kuharnessa the talents. There are hidden talents lakhona kulama communities bamfu laba ngaba nelikusasa ngalokudlala ibhola. So ukhanza ukuthi this is an opportunity ukuthi nayo umfu activate kulawa ma communities beyisho imvuna ngalaceleni ukuthi vele siyafuna kubona labadlali badlalele ama team lamakhulu. Mina nje ngidawusayithana kulokucetha kwendeka, which is a historic thing ngala South Africa. Bafana ifike kuma knockout stages for the first time, and that is progress. Bebasolo badlala bangakhoni ukufufuka bayembili. So now imagine ukuthi ke sekunalo litalenta lelo from the community yethu letawufika iscoutwe ithaphe nama team lamakhulu kwakheke sihlangu lesicinile lesitawukhona nathi kanye ilanga sikhone kungenela the big stages efana nabo Africa Cup of Nations and the World Cup itself. So kuqala laphansi la kuqala ngesupport from us as sponsors, and bese kuyaqhubeka kuya motivation from the leagues ukuthi baba motivate babatshele lokuthi yathi asidlali nje ukuthi sichitha sidunga, but there might be someone lot awufula a future from lokudlala ibhola ngalendlela. So it is just a step in the right direction. I should think so. Siyathemba ukuthi nabo ba ama representative ema team akhona, we are very excited about this coming Sunday. We are looking forward to it. Besiqala last year nje bekasho nje umngane nami lapha program director ukuthi uyathi kufuna ukuthi sifuphuke ngosi lesakwenda last year this year kufuna sikwende kuhlukahluke kancane kutokhombisa ukuthi siyakhula. And I think that is very important, and sitabe sikhona siphelele, and we want to invite everyone uthi abafike ngetinkani ngetinombolo tabo eHhohweni egroundini ngelisomvo sitabe sikhona nathi ngivile bathi kutawunikwa nathi liphuba ukuthi sithi siyoshukumisa umtimba ngicathi ngawani nje khona labantu abasenkingeni la kithi titawulima ngempela tiyetsheni. Sitabe sikhona ngicabanga ukuthi nabami labadzala nayo umcelile 5 minutes enkundleni amane athi nje ishibobo yinye noma dimpili sikhona ukuthi sikhombise ukuthi vele we are part and parcel of the tournament, and we are in support 100%. I think lokunye lengakuveta nje lebengamhlebeli nje program director ukuthi just to incentivize the tournament on Sunday we will be giving out ema prizes from SBB Resort. So nani khona nje so lesitabe sikwenda nje ngicatha ukuthi abakhona isound lekhona kutase ngema intervals siye sinibuta imibuto lophemvula kahle, maybe they would stand a chance ukuthi bakhone kuyofola kuyo experience ukuthi SBB Resort siphetheni. And over and above vele ngingeke ngisho kangako ngako lokho ngoba solo niyahintisha ngenzaba ikhula kwe tournament lengakusho ukuthi the resort itself has developed over the past year. Sikhule kakhulu si resort, and ukukhula kwe resort kufuna kube kukhula kwe community as well. And sitawuhlala phasi vele ngeke ngikhulume lokunganani, but njengoba ngisho ngithi we are going into the right direction as a resort. I mean labakile bafika nyalo batawubona umehluko la sesikhona khona ukuthi siyawafakile mandla, obviously with the support of the local and international communities bakhona ukuthi baye bayobona buhle lobusesibebe. It's a very very unique product that we provide laphana. Na ungabuka nje ukuthi letimvo lesinato tsine na ubuka lena le angeke ukufole. So I do encourage sengithatha lifuba lekumarket siya encourage ukuthi bamfu baye bayodibonela the service, the product that we have, the amazing and exciting facilities that we provide at the resort. I think sikhathi lesikahle sokuthi nithi kuvakasha siyathi ukuthi sinalo neliground Renath. Kuna na igame nje social yasemzimba lengathi sisayifona sisataba nayo sitawudibana khona mhlawumbe sibebe this time sikhona kuyo showcase what we have. So angeke ngithathe isikhathi lesithe kakhulu. I just want to go back and say it's a very good noma ngisho ukuthi we are excited to be part of this, and siyathemba ukuthi Sunday will be a success without any problems. Sitabe sikhona ngengani, and everyone should please make their way to the stadium. Sitiphatheni kahle sibe nako nje ngiyathi kuba nama team briefings. It's very important because imvoyinye nje iyawona wonke umcimbi, so I success yale tournament will determine ukuthi siqhubeka sibhekaphi. So sengigcina nje I just want to say thank you again for this opportunity, and siyathemba ukuthi awudidawulima ejeni ngelisomvu.